Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to our traveling wave, where we explore the beautiful city of Cairo. Cairo, a city steeped in history, a place where ancient wonders meet modern life. Beyond the iconic pyramids, a treasure trove awaits. Let us journey through the heart of Cairo, uncovering its hidden gems. From bustling markets to serene mosques, Cairo is a feast for the senses. The air is filled with the aroma of spices and the sounds of traditional music. Every corner you turn reveals a story waiting to be told. Join me as we delve into the magical world of Cairo's hidden treasures. And on our list is the renowned Marriott Mina House Hotel. Combines opulence with impeccable service, providing guests with an oasis of tranquility in the heart of the bustling city. Whether you're enjoying a spa treatment or dining at one of its. As you embark on your journey through this magnificent metropolis, let us introduce, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Let's start our journey. While the Pyramids of Giza stand as a testament to Egypt's grandeur, lesser-known sites hold their own allure. Adventure south to Dashur, where the Bent Pyramid and Red Pyramid offer a glimpse into ancient architectural experimentation. These pyramids, with their unique shapes and colors, showcase the evolution of pyramid construction. Another off-the-beaten-path destination is the City of the Dead. This sprawling necropolis, inhabited by both the living and the deceased, provides a fascinating glimpse into Cairo's relationship with mortality. Wander through its streets, observing the mausoleums and the daily life that unfolds among them, testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. To truly experience Cairo, one must immerse oneself in its bustling markets. These markets are the heartbeat of the city, where the past and present blend seamlessly. Khan El Khalili Bazaar, a labyrinthine marketplace dating back to the 14th century, is a sensory overload in the best possible way. Its narrow alleys are filled with the echoes of history and the vibrant energy of daily life. Here, you can haggle for souvenirs, from intricate lanterns to beautifully crafted textiles, each item telling a story of its own. Sample traditional Egyptian street food, like falafel, koshari, and sweet pastries, each bite offering a taste of the rich culinary heritage. And soak up the vibrant atmosphere, where every corner is alive with color, sound, and the hustle and bustle of daily commerce. As you navigate the narrow alleyways, observe the artisans at work, crafting intricate jewelry, copperware, and traditional clothing. Their skilled hands and dedication to their craft are a testament to centuries-old traditions. The air is thick with the scent of spices, perfumes, and freshly brewed coffee. Each aroma tells a story, inviting you to explore further. A visit to Khan El Khalili is an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Cairo's vibrant street life. It's a place where memories are made and the spirit of Cairo comes alive. Echoes of the past, mosques, churches, and ancient knowledge. Cairo is a city where different faiths and cultures have coexisted for centuries, creating a unique blend of traditions and beliefs that continue to thrive today. Visit the Al-Azhar Mosque, a 1,000-year-old center of Islamic learning, where scholars and students from around the world gather to study and share knowledge. Marvel at its stunning architecture, intricate designs, and peaceful courtyard that offers a serene escape from the bustling city outside. The mosque is a testament to Cairo's enduring role as a hub of knowledge and spirituality, where the past and present seamlessly intertwine. Just a stone's throw away lies the Coptic Museum, a treasure trove of history and culture, home to a vast collection of Coptic Christian artifacts. The museum showcases the rich heritage of Egypt's Christian community. Explore the museum's exhibits to learn about the history, art, and traditions of this ancient Egyptian Christian community, which has played a significant role in the country's history. The Coptic Museum offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of faiths that have shaped Cairo's identity. highlighting the city's diverse and multifaceted cultural landscape. Enjoy stunning views of the city skyline, where the old and new blend seamlessly, offering a breathtaking panorama. Cairo's enchanting embrace, a journey awaits. Welcome to a city where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Cairo, with its hidden treasures and captivating stories, invites you to explore its depths. Wander through its bustling streets and feel the pulse of life that has thrived here for millennia. From the ancient wonders of Dashur, where the pyramids stand as silent sentinels of time, to the vibrant energy of Khan El Khalili Bazaar, a marketplace that has been the heart of trade and culture for centuries. This city offers a journey of discovery for every traveler. Each corner of Cairo tells a story. Each alleyway holds a secret waiting to be uncovered. Allow yourself to get lost in its enchanting embrace, where every turn reveals a new facet of its charm. Uncover the magic that lies within. Experience the rhythm of traditional music and the warmth of local hospitality. The sun sets over the Nile, casting a warm glow on the city's skyline. The river whispers tales of ancient civilizations and timeless beauty. Take a moment to reflect on the wonders you have witnessed. Let the serene waters of the Nile inspire your thoughts and dreams. Cairo's hidden treasures are a testament to its rich history, cultural diversity, and enduring spirit. The city's museums and cultural sites offer a glimpse into a past that continues to shape the present. Come, experience the magic of Cairo for yourself. Let this journey be the beginning of a lifelong love affair with a city that never ceases to amaze. This concludes our tour in Cairo. I hope you enjoy this trip and find helpful tips for your next adventure. Cairo is a city full of beauty, art, and history, and is definitely worth a visit. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is Traveling Wave. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.